Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, The Crafty Closet. So today I'm going to show you guys how to put a whole outfit together. That's right, we're talking top and bottom, and we're going to do it all with heat transfer vinyl. So for this project, you're going to need a sweatsuit, top and bottom. This is 100% cotton, and as y'all can see, y'all see the tags on this. So this is brand new, fresh out the store. This isn't something that was in the closet, so we're going to put this together as a family, and let's see how it works out. Then you're going to need your heat transfer vinyl. Now, I am using Caesar's brand heat transfer vinyl. You guys already know I love them. I have 3 different colors. That's because I'm still on the fence as to what color I'm going to use for this project. So you're going to have to stick around to see exactly what color we press this with. And then you're going to need your weeding tool, your 12 by 12, Cricut mat, and everything, your heat press, everything you use to make the magic that you create when you're crafting. Now, with that being said, want to learn how to put a whole outfit together, a customized outfit, something you just made yourself, then you know what you got to do. You got to stick around. Okie dokie smoky, let's get into the image that we're using for this customized sweatsuit, top and bottom. I've had this image for a while. I found it on a flash drive, my old computer. Yeah, I want a story time. My old computer crashed, but I did save some things, but not everything. Okay, so this is the image I had, and I'm going to use this one. And as you can see, the color is pink. That still don't mean I'm going to use the pink, y'all. I just thought it struck out to me. So this is, y'all already know, if you are new to this channel or if you've been following me for a while, you already know I love everything Hello Kitty. So this is the image that's going to go on the front of our sweatshirt. And what I did was, this image was, um it was in individual pieces, so I had to actually attach it to make it one group and cut it out as one. So that's what I did. And also, this is going to be the top, and then let me show you what the bottom is going to look like. I'm just going to go ahead and take another kitty and put her on my leg. Now, all I did was duplicate this one right here before I attached it as a group, since it was all individual, images. Once I did it, I was able to copy it so that I was able to duplicate it and copy it so that I can put this on my leg, and this is going to be on the shirt. So let's go ahead and put this on. Um, let's go ahead and get a visual. Now you guys know I am visual, so we'll go with the shirt first. Let me go back just in case you guys don't realize. Design Space upgraded their templates. So if you want to go to a template, you can go to, this is the new style template, which is like see-through, transparent. But I like legacy templates, so I will go back to the old original template. I'm going to go ahead, even though it's going on a sweatshirt, I'm just going to put it on a shirt for now. And let me just change this to black. I'm going to take off our grid boxes. Oh, I haven't done this in so long. I'll put you here. Oh, sorry. I'm going to put you over here for now, out the way. And now let's go ahead, and this is going to be on the front. I don't know why this is there, y'all. This is going to be on the front of our sweatshirt. And this is going to be on the leg. So y'all see what it looks like, right? Looks good. My dimensions came in at 10.4 by 5.1. So always remember to measure your image to fit your garment. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and put this on the pant leg. So what we're going to do is we're going to hide you, because I'm done. I'm going to go back to template, go back to legacy templates. This is the old school templates. We're going to go to pants, their sweatpants, and here we go. So I will hide you for now. I'm going to change my pant color to black. take off my grid boxes, and I'm just gonna simply, I didn't want too much going on the sweatsuit, y'all, so simply put it here. Make sure you measure it so that you know it's big enough that it can show but not overwhelming on the leg, or you could do whatever you want. I was gonna do Hello Kitty down the leg, but I said, you know what, I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to do too much. I always overthink everything. So this is going to go on my pants leg, and she came in at 4.3 by 3.1. 3.1? And that's it. That's all, y'all. It's really simple. It's not complicated. Remember, this is crafter specific. You are going to do your image specific to what you want. There is no right or wrong way to create your own customized sweatsuit. As always, y'all know I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to stick around to the end after I press this. Let's see if I really did use pink, y'all. As always, be well, my friends.